We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Desktop to optimize your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the ClickUp Desktop app or go to the ClickUp website on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To create a new task, click on the plus icon or the New Task button. Enter a name for your task, add any relevant details like descriptions or checklists, and set a due date if needed. If you want to assign the task to someone, click on the Assignee field and select the person from your team. You can also set priorities by clicking the priority flag icon, ranging from urgent to low priority. Drag and drop tasks into different columns if you're using the list or board view, which helps you visualize the progress of your tasks. To manage projects, click on the Spaces tab in the sidebar, where you can create and organize spaces for different projects or teams. You can customize each space with unique settings and views by clicking on the Space Settings icon. Use the Docs feature to collaborate on documents with your team, which you can find in the sidebar as well. ClickUp allows you to integrate with other tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and more, by going to the settings and then integrations to streamline all your workflows. Don't forget to check out the Dashboards feature, which lets you create custom dashboards to monitor your KPIs and project statuses at a glance. Remember to explore the settings to customize notifications to suit your preferences, ensuring you stay updated without being overwhelmed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.